15, and within one day I made my first commission.
It's been a year since I haven't worked a 9 to 5, and I've been making pretty good money now.
I am a single mom in Tucson, Arizona, and have been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business, and I'm so excited.
I'm freaking excited today. I got my first sale.
John Crestani, you've been featured in Forbes magazine.
And the best thing is you can work from anywhere, no matter where you travel.
I've really worked hard to create in my educational programs, creating a clear plan that people can follow, that's proven and can help them become successful and start making their first commissions online and learn business skills.
I love it because a lot of people do not know where to start.
I'm for a system that's been designed and rigged against you to take your freedom and your time away from you like a slave. Now, if you'd like to learn how